Oh, because you hit stop. See? Now are we going?
Yes.
Okay, that would have not been good.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to put your zipper head on your own zipper, your zipper pull. I have been getting or seeing a lot of comments on ladies having not a clue on how to do it or struggling with it. I purchased number 5 zipper tape with zipper pulls online. I get mine on eBay and I buy them by the yard. As you can see, I have a whole bunch here. I probably paid about, what was it for this one? About $25. And this was 10 yards with 20 pulls. And the pulls are nickel. Or you can get, let's see, 10 yards and 20 sliders, 20 yards and 50 sliders. Northwest Contract Sewing, or Northwest is the name of the store on eBay. I highly recommend them. I don't really give away my secrets, but that is one of my secrets. And nobody can beat their prices. Nobody. And these are quality zippers. They glide easily. They're just the bomb. Stay there. I know a lot of you bag makers use these kind. They're all YKK, so the brand is the brand. This is also a nice zipper, and as you can see, but these are more expensive. If you want to do your basic black and white and save money, if you're a bag maker, I advise you buying them like this. With these zippers, I only needed, can you see that whole zipper there, cameraman?
Yeah.
So I only needed this much for a pouch. I'm not going to throw this away. Where did it go? When I first started on my journey of buying zippers, I didn't come across this treasure yet. I was buying them like this, where you're paying, pretty much it comes out to about $1.25 a piece. You know, $10 or $12 plus shipping for 10 different colored zippers. And it's a good deal for colored zippers, I guess, but So I also had a bag of these. I got them from China. Again, this is when I first started out on my journey of buying zippers. Well, I learned that these slide onto these with no problem. So if you like to do a mismatch of bright colors, and of course you can order these in any color you want. These come from China. I think I paid, and they're YKK. They're not an off-brand. It's YKK. I think I paid 99 cents for 20 of them with free shipping. So I waited about 2 weeks to get them, but we're 99 cents, guys. Free shipping. You can't beat that. And it is YKK. They're just painted. So really quick demonstration. Like I said, most of you would throw this away after you're done using it. I had a big enough piece to use it for another pouch. Split your zipper. I don't split it all the way. You can if you want. I'll show you on the other one. You have
Come closer.
your split in there. And then you have all the way opened in there. There's nothing in the middle there. So you're going to want to use the side that has a left and a right, and it has a divider. Can you see what I'm doing, cameraman? So you simply slide that in there. Oh, what I like to do is I like to kind of burn my ends so there's no fraying as I'm pulling on them. Sometimes it still frays, but that burning them helps. So you take your left and your right and just slide it on there. You don't slide it past. I always hold my finger there to make sure it doesn't come past. And then you pick up the other side. And you'll hear or you'll feel a little click when that clicks in there. And then I lay it down flat. This is how I do it. Everyone does it different. And I hold my fingers here. Pull it on. So, see how I didn't split that there? Let's cut that stopper off. There you go. Voila. And it glides back and forth so nicely with these. So then you got yourself a nice hot pink zipper with the black pull. So when you buy these, if you're using them for a pouch, a coin pouch or a wristlet, and you have enough left for another one, remember, you know, or you can even switch your colors when you get them. You can take your pink pole and put it onto your green pole. Mix and match your colors and make them cool looking. So that was super easy, right? Now these ones they don't glide on as easy. I believe this is a number 4. These ones are a 5. These ones are a little more, not difficult, but here, I typically use, because I make a lot of wristlets and a lot of crossbodies. So I'll cut this about here and show you again. And always measure your zipper, because you don't want to waste. I'm a zero waste when it comes to that. Zippers, I like to get every bit of use out of them. So you can split it just halfway, or you can split it all the way. It doesn't matter. You got your 2 pieces there. Same thing. You have a left and a right with a divider. Then you have an open end. You start with your left and right. Slide that in there. I always start on my left side first, but you can start vice versa, whatever you're comfortable with. Slide that into there, and I'm gonna, you can feel it or you can hear it. There's a little click that happens. You heard it? So then like I said, these ones don't go on as smoothly, but they will. It just takes a little wiggle room, a little wiggling. So I kind of push these together, and I hold it when I hold my hand down, because otherwise it'll split off like that. So I kind of hold it, and I hold my fingers again on this tape, just applying a little bit of pressure to hold them into place. See how that goes flying? So I hold it with my fist until I get this on. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's a little bugger. Yeah, this one's going to be a bugger. And then I want to also mention too, there we go. When you go to pull it on, if you feel like there's a little resistance as you're pulling it, that means it didn't catch right. If I feel resistance, I'll take it right off and start over at the other end. I like it to be a nice, smooth, easy, you know, opening and closing for my customers. I make bags daily. Wallets, wristlets, purses. I never have followed a pattern in my life. I watch all the patterns on SewSweetness.com, and I see the swoon patterns and all the purses, and I think they're absolutely beautiful, and all the bags people are making are gorgeous. I envy all of you that follow the patterns, but I've never followed a pattern in my life. You can view my work at www.spitzybanger.com. I do customize bags daily. So I take special orders. But that is how you put a zipper on. And you save so much money buying it like this. And putting them on as you go. If you guys have any more questions or like to see how something else is done, comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And I hope this helps.